I feel blessed. I feel thankful, empowered by myself and like how strong I've become, not only physically but like mentally. It helps a lot. The reason I joined was for the money. That's the reason why I joined the program, but I stayed because I started liking what I'm doing in the program and the value of what it's doing towards the environment and the people and the community. They think I'm crazy. They think I'm crazy, but I explain it to them so they kind of understand like, okay, she's handling her business. She's not doing something that she shouldn't be doing, and she's being productive and she's making something out of her life. So I got support from back home. I'm from Richmond, California. That's all I knew coming into this program was the city. This place changes you. It is a development program, and you can like choose if you want to take advantage of the development like process of it. Like it's up to you if you want to get on it and be about what you came here for. Then you'll get it out of this program.